Did you know the longest recorded case of hiccups lasted for 68 years? An American man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. That's over 430 million hiccups. Doctors were never able to pinpoint a definitive cure. His case baffled medical experts for decades. Even though the hiccups eventually stopped on their own, he had already lived the majority of his life with them. It didn't stop him from working, marrying, and having children. He just adapted. It's a fascinating and rare example of how the human body can get stuck in a reflex loop for a lifetime. Follow for more facts.